Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or the photo on ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move for the system, click on the languages in input, select virtual keyboard and then tap on the Gboard. Next we have to move for the theme and click right here. Right now we are able to pick up the picture that we want to set up. I would like to go for this one. Right now we can scale this picture. Click next if you finish, and with this switcher we can change the transparency of the picture in the background. I will go for 85%, click done, and we can also turn on keyboarders. Click apply, and as you can see right now our keyboard theme has changed. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.